Hello? Yeah, my dad is shop. Alright.
You feel look a better now? Alright, I ask Uncle Shepherd what we can use to make it get better quick so you can go to school. No man, I know nothing better. Alright, so here what you are going to do. You are going to wait till me come. Alright? So when you eat, just go lay down. Don't act up yourself. Yeah, so me I go over Uncle Shepherd's feet. Yeah. Alright. Later. Yeah, love you. Alright.
Hello? Yeah man, my dad is shop. Yeah.
I saw me walk way. I say I feel like me I walk in a slow motion. I feel like James Bond.
You mean Jane Bond?
Yeah. She.
Me hear you know. But me still not believe it.
Well, you better believe it. You know, that big girl now, you know. I wanted to say she run all her own apps now, bro.
So Whisper, you not proud of me?
Proud of you. I worry for you. Mr. Mullins is done one already and tell you for lower. You don't think so the man gonna find out about this?
Whisper, me did have to do something about her. Look a girl that do deep search for me and my mother.
Your mother?
Long story. Me talk about that another day.
So what you find out about it?
Someone make a couple visits to one of the agency building then.
You serious? So that means that you have access to surveillance camera then?
I wouldn't surprise if I had satellite image in there too.
You think that she have access to that too?
Remember say her father a politician. Anything possible.
One thing me know, you know. Wallace them a long time shit house, you know. And them relentless.
So, El Savo, are you help her pull off this though?
Well, to tell you the truth, yeah. We didn't need a foolproof plan to get her back off at Tony. You understand me? So we just put it together and it worked.
Whisper, it is necessary. Trust me.
Are two things about that. I know Mr. Mullins not gonna happy with this. None at all. And it might cost you a job. The next thing, suppose the girl have planned to stop. She gotta dig right until she find out say her agent. Hold on. Tony, don't tell me, say, you're this close to this girl, say you want agent.